this is a pretty strong people company. And we kind of rely on each other to help everybody get through the day. That's really been a positive.
Here at PAI, it starts with innovative thinking.
Day-to-day varies. Our main focus in engineering is product development. We basically reverse engineer, make specifications of all of the products that we carry in our product line.
PAI will then use precision machining to create its heavy-duty products.
This is a really exciting time in our business because we're growing so rapidly. To fuel that growth, we're implementing a lot of new technologies, including robotic automation with our CNC mills and CNC lathes. We also have in-house other technologies such as CMM measuring, GMM measuring, and our full metallurgy lab. One of our goals is to continue to bring more and more manufacturing back into the United States. Especially in today's global marketplace with the supply chain issues, this is an opportunity for us to grow our workforce, our team, and our country.
Each manufactured part is assembled right here in the USA.
Here at PAI, we're striving to be world-class. In assembly, we produce clutches, oil pans. We do assembly of heads for Mack, Caterpillar, Detroit Diesel, Cummins. We also make water pumps, oil pumps, bull gears. So there's a number of different part numbers and different parts that we make in assembly that'll help all of the trucking world.
Our parts are then tested on right in our state-of-the-art facilities.
So we test for a lot of things. So sometimes if a customer has a very particular complaint, like they feel that they're observing something very specific that's wrong, we could throw an engine on the dyno and try to replicate whatever conditions that they were experiencing, so we could test for that very particular thing. If we're just trying to get general performance of a part, what we do is we build up the engine with that particular part, and we do something called a torque sweep, where we put the engine through this routine that basically pushes the engine to its absolute limit, and then now we know how the engine performs at peak performance, peak horsepower, peak torque.
Packing our parts is just as important as making our parts.
Packaging is an important part of our process. Each part is inspected individually as a final check for any blemishes or defects before being packaged. We want our customers to feel at ease knowing that their parts are packaged in a way that will keep them safe and protect their investment. Whether it's the sturdy boxes or protection paper, you can trust that each part is packaged with PAI quality to ensure safe delivery to its final destination.
Our parts are then shipped to you domestically and around the world.
We are the shipping department at PAI Industries. Our goal is to have the best customer service for everyone. We try to get all the orders out the same day if it is possible for domestic orders. It's not a small customer for us or a big customer. We treat everyone the same way. I know we are the end of the line for every company, the process to go through different areas. We go to receiving, quality control, and then packaging, and then come to us. But we make an effort to do as much possible to get the best fill rate it is.
The sales team really comes alongside our distributors, support them in a sales function. We make those fleet calls. When we leave, they have a better understanding of what PAI is all about. They have a better understanding of how to sell PAI. So the idea is to spend the day training that person, and you're just compounding your efforts. It compounds your sales.
We have partners worldwide. Partners which we sell our parts to, which we work and we train them. The relationship we have to have with our partners has to be very, very strong. We're competitive in price and we give technical support. We have a quality product. We know that to have a partnership, there has to be trust, and through that trust, you build on the business.
Our website has been specially designed with our customers in mind. PAI delivers the best shopping experience in the industry. Our tech support features allow you to chat directly with a live agent. Our website allows you to view in-depth product details, 3D models, product attributes, and product videos to ensure accurate selection. Our account dashboard allows you to easily manage all aspects of your account. We are constantly innovating and improving our processes to make your experience as pleasant as possible.
PAI Industries is a global leader in producing high-quality, heavy-duty engine parts and components for over 40 years. With a corporate office in Suwanee, Georgia, and 5 strategically located facilities across the world, our extensive network enables us to deliver timely and cost-effective solutions globally, ensuring access to high-quality products and services for businesses and individuals worldwide. We serve customers on 6 continents, spanning 92 countries with over 6,500 distributors.
Thank you for supporting PAI.